Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today another vendor sent me a free product, and this is a paid review, and let's get straight to it. Today we have a nut extraction tool set. This is really cool. I've had a bolt extractor set, but I've never had a nut extraction set. So what this is you put this on a ratchet, or you can put it on an impact gun or a pneumatic gun, and it will go on the nut, and it actually cuts into the nut, grabs onto it, and will take off a frozen nut off of a bolt or a rusted old bolt, and it grabs onto it tight and will allow you to yank that bolt right off of it. We're going to go outside and we're going to take off. I do have one nut that I have been having some hard times getting off, and we're going to go take that off for you right now. All right, so I've gotten the removal tool on the head of my ratchet, and I'm going to remove this stubborn old bolt I've had on here on the bottom of my RV, and I'm just going to try to get it loose for us right here. Oh my goodness, it bit right on there. It's been rounded, and I have not been able to get this thing off for months. It bit right on there. It's been rounded off. This is a used RV, and somebody's been trying to get that off and they had rounded it off. It bit right on there and took that bolt right off. That is amazing. I personally had tried everything to get that rounded thing off of there. And look at there. It's off.